On episode 4 of TMI Stuff No One Tells You About Postpartum, I will be telling you about sore boobies, engorged boobies, uterine contractions while breastfeeding, and sore nipples. So we're just going to dive right into it. When you give birth, your body needs to make milk for that little bundle of joy to eat. So there is increased blood flow to your breasts, and that increased blood flow causes milk production. So sometimes, especially if you choose to breastfeed or nurse, sometimes the milk can get like really full in your boobies, and that fullness is good. It's great because it means there's food for the baby, but at the same time, sometimes it can be uncomfortable and painful when your breasts can be so like full of milk and engorged and sore. And Zambohemian is going to be providing products that help to relieve that soreness and that pain. It's not necessarily debilitating, but sometimes it can be really uncomfortable and sore, and having these products on hand to help ease that pain is very necessary. Another thing is sore nipples. So because a human being is sucking all day, every day, 6 to 6, eating away, sometimes that can cause your nipples to get sore and to have like little sores on them and all that kind of jazz. And again, Zambohemian is going to have products that help relieve that pain, that help heal any sores or any like dryness on your nipples due to all the sucking that is going on. Lastly, but not least, is uterine contractions while breastfeeding. So as you breastfeed with the nipple stimulation, a hormone called oxytocin is released, and this oxytocin causes contractions of your uterus. So this contractions of your uterus is necessary because it helps your uterus get back to its normal shape and size pre-pregnancy. Yes, so when you're breastfeeding, sometimes you can have uterine contractions because that is like oxytocin is being released to tell your uterus to get back to its normal shape and size. Again, that can be very uncomfortable. Like it can be like cramping, uterine contractions. You've had cramps, you know what that feels like. And it might not be debilitating, but it can be uncomfortable and bothersome. And Zambohemian will have products to just ease that pain, safe products, by the way, to ease that pain and just help you at least enjoy the whole nursing, breastfeeding experience to the best of your ability. Yeah. Again, one more thing. This uterine contractions doesn't last for your whole breastfeeding journey. It can last like 7 to 10 days, sometimes a little bit longer, but managing it is where it's at, and that's where Zambohemian comes in, because we will have products and essentials, postpartum essentials that help you manage that uncomfortability, that pain, that soreness. Yes, so until the last episode, which comes after this one, of TMI stuff no one tells you about postpartum. Bye.